Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and safe. This is your science teacher, and today we will start the written part of the chapter 5, that is separation of substances. In this video we will start with the defining terms, in which we will write and understand about different methods of separation through the animation. But before starting, don't forget to mention today's date. So let's start with the defining terms. First point is handpicking, a simplest method of separating unwanted materials from solid or food grains. Students, as you can see here, unwanted substances from rice are getting separated by hands, and that's why this method is known as handpicking. Now these unwanted materials can be of different size, different shape, or different colors. Even these can be small insect also, which are usually separated by hands. Now, second point is decantation. Separation of clear liquid from the container containing the solid liquid mixture to another container is called decantation. Students, this is a process of clearing or getting clear water from a container which is having a solid impurities. Here, as you can see in the given clip also, this glass is having sediment with the water, and this is how we clear the water in decantation process. Now, third point is filtration. Separation of insoluble impurities from the liquid with the help of filter paper. In this method, we pass liquid components through a filter paper, or we can say through sieve, something like this. Here you can see in the given clip. Impurities from the liquid get separated like this in this method, and this is called filtration. Now, fourth point is saturated solution, a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved. Okay, so the best example of this process is this salt solution dissolved in water. Okay, so this is all about saturated solution. Now, fifth point is threshing, beating or dry stalk to shake off the dried grains. Okay, in this method we threshed or beat the harvested stalk to separate the grains, something like this. Here you can see in the given clip also. A small threshing is done manually, but the large quantity is done by the machinery. Now last point is winnowing, separation of lighter and heavier particles from the mixture by wind or blowing air. This method usually done by the farmers to separate grains from husk. Here something like this in the given clip. The mixture is dropped from height, husk carried by air and form a heap at a small distance, and grain falls vertically. Okay, so both get separated in this process. So this was all about the defining terms.